This is part one of the interior moving condition report for 1200 Black Walnut Lane on Thursday, February 8th, 2018. We're going to come in through the back sliding glass door. And one thing to just keep in mind as we go through the video is the tenants are moving in tomorrow. Property does need to be cleaned, and that'll be done later today or early this evening. We're in what would be referred to as the dining room in the actual moving condition report. The walls in here are undamaged. The sliding glass door itself is undamaged. However, it does not have any screen provided or any window treatments or blinds or anything. Fireplace is undamaged, as is the hearth, the mantle, and the tools for cleanup as well. The tiled floor in the dining room, undamaged. And coming into the kitchen, the walls are undamaged. There are two screens back here. The screen on the left is undamaged. Screen on the right has some light frame right there. No window treatments provided on either window. The cabinets are all undamaged, as are the countertops in both the island and on the countertops over here. Sink and garbage disposal are operable and undamaged. The stovetop is unmarked, undamaged. And the interior, the stove, also undamaged. The dishwasher, exterior, undamaged, that wood. The interior is undamaged. The fridge and the freezer, a little dirty, some stains up there, but as I said, property needs to be cleaned. None of the little tubs are broken or chipped or anything. The freezer, closes back up. Freezer is undamaged in both the interior and exterior. There's also a provided little wine rack for tenant usage. This is the first floor half bath or guest bathroom. Walls in here are undamaged. The toilet is undamaged. The sink and the faucet are also undamaged. This little closet also stores HVAC system. It's a 20 by 25 air filter. Looks like it's a newer air filter. And then there's also an extra one provided. You just push it in. We recommend changing it once every 90 days, 3 months. And we are in the garage. The walls do have a few marks on them. No major damage or anything. Same thing with the floor. There's some stains, some marks on the concrete slab floor. It's undamaged. The garage door is operable. However, there is a little spot right there where sun comes through, light comes through right there. There is also one garage remote, which will be left on the top of the mantle on the fireplace. There is also one recyclable and one trash can left for tenant use. There's also some leftover construction supplies, tile, backsplash, looks like wood flooring, and then the wood boards as well. As I said, that'll be left there. In this little utility closet that's in the living room area, this houses water system. Salt's about 80-85% full. And there's also a leftover bag left for tenant use. In the living room, the walls in here are undamaged. The floors do have two parts. The stone part, tile part is undamaged. The hardwood, you can see it right there, does have some scuff marks, smaller ones, but there are a few little small ones, one right there. Several items to point out that are left for the tenant to use. TV right there, the lamp. There's two hanging candle holders and this large mirror, all of which look undamaged. The windows have both undamaged screens and then a provided curtain, fabric curtain. And the front door also has a provided fabric curtain as well. Going into the master bedroom here is where we will stop, and we will pick up for part 2 of the move-in condition report. This concludes part 1 on Thursday, February 8th, 2018.